In this video, we will show you how to change segments of curves into lines to improve your designs. Additionally, we will present some special types of nodes and the Convert to Curves option. Let's see how you can change from curves into lines. It's really easy to change any curve segment into a straight line. Right-click on the node at the beginning of a curve and use To Line option. The curve is now a straight line. You can also convert it into multiple lines if you select multiple nodes. As you can see, all the curve segments are now converted into lines. Additionally, you can use To Line option directly onto the segment you choose. Right-click on the curve to change it into a line. Likewise, you can change straight lines into curves. To do so, you need to use the To Curve option. Select the node that is before the line you want to convert into a curve and choose To Curve option. The line next to the node now becomes a curve and the tangent arrows appear, allowing you to edit it as you please. Click and drag to create the curvature you desire. Have also in mind that you can use To Curve option directly onto the segment you choose. Let's have a look at the special types of nodes and how to work with them. In general, text objects and pre-made shapes have special types of nodes. When using the Edit Shape nodes, you cannot edit the shape of a letter or pre-made shape. For text objects, the nodes adjust the position of the characters. All pre-made shapes have special types of nodes as well. For this star shape, the special nodes allow you to easily rotate, adjust the ray size and the size of the star. For a pie object, you can change the angle of the pie, practically the size of it. For rectangle, you can change the size and adjust the roundness of the corners. The functionality of the special nodes of the other ready-made shapes is described in detail into separate videos. Have in mind that in order to be able to freely edit the shape of such an object, you first need to convert it into curves. For example, right-click on the star and use the Convert to Curves option. Now, as you can see, the star has normal nodes and you can freely alter each shape. You need to have in mind, though, that if you convert an object to curves, you cannot convert it right back to the initial ready-made shape unless you undo such conversion.